So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Sharon, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always choosing to watch my content. Yes, in today's video, I just want to show you what I have in my bag, in my everyday bag. I've always watched these videos and I kind of like them, and why not do it also? So let me show you what's inside my everyday bag. Let's get into the video. I have my USB for charging, together with the oh god together with a power bank. Wow, I have this. It's a mini lighting. A girl has to take selfies. Yeah, I have this just in case. I'm a girl, you have to be ready all the time. I have hand cream in case I visit the washrooms after I have to use it on my hands. And then I have this. It's a thread together with a needle. You have to be ready all the time in case something happens. Yes, and I also have this. It's my wallet. It carries my cards and money. I have this mini mirror. Of course, I'm a girl. um I have my sunglasses. You know what they do? I'll not tell you. I have my lip gloss. This is my everyday lip gloss. It has some chocolate in it, and you know me with chocolate, yeah, like this. I have this. It's a perfume. I had the same like this, but I broke it yesterday morning. I threw away the glasses, the broken glasses, and I kept this because I love how it smells. I like it so much, and I love smelling good. I have lollipops. If I don't have these in my bag, then I have maybe Mentos, chewing gums, and then my other phone. That's all I have. Oh, I have Man of God, whom, oh, my spiritual father. I carry him wherever I go. I love God. It's not like I love this one more than God, but still, he's my spiritual father, and I carry him wherever I go. Of course, together with my God. So that's all I have in my everyday bag. It kind of looks tiny, but it carries a lot. Yeah. So in case you watched till the end, thank you so much. I love it. I love interacting with you guys. You can always comment on my videos. Why don't you guys comment? You just watch and go. It's not good. It's a bad habit. Always make sure when you watch someone's video, leave a comment. Maybe where you see that like they're doing wrong, you can correct them, or maybe say hello. Yeah, so that's all I have.